In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed a Pomodoro widget in Notion. If you've ever wanted a simple focus timer right inside your workspace, this is a quick and reliable way to set it up. We'll walk through choosing a Pomodoro tool, grabbing its link, embedding it in Notion, and making it fit your layout so it looks clean and works smoothly. First, let's pick the widget you want to use. Popular web-based options include PomoFocus, Study With Me, or a dedicated Notion-friendly widget provider. Like Indify, the idea is simple. You want a timer that runs in your browser and can be displayed inside an embed. If you are not sure which one to choose, think about your style. Do you prefer a minimalist interface with just the countdown, or do you like additional features, like task names or session statistics? Any of these sites will do the job, but a clean interface is usually easiest to glance at while you work. Once you've chosen your favorite, open the timer in your browser and copy its URL. That link is what Notion uses to display the timer inside your page. Make sure you are copying the main timer page link, not a home page or a settings page that doesn't show the timer. If you ever run into a blank embed later, it often means the site doesn't allow embedding from that particular link, so switching to a timer known to work in Notion can save time. Now, head over to your Notion page where you want the timer to live. Click into the page and type /embed. From the menu that appears, select the Embed block option. A small box will pop up asking for a link. Paste the URL you copied earlier into that box. Then click Embed Link. Give it a moment to load. If the timer appears, you are all set. If it doesn't, double-check the URL or try one of the other widget sites mentioned earlier. With the timer visible, let's make it comfortable to use. Hover over the edges of the block and drag the corners to resize it. Aim for a size that keeps the countdown easy to read without taking over your entire page. Consider where it fits best in your workflow near your daily tasks, beside a project checklist, or at the top of a dashboard. A well-sized widget helps you glance, breathe, and refocus without breaking your flow. That's it. You've embedded a Pomodoro widget in Notion, ready to guide your focus sessions and breaks right where you plan your work. Thanks for watching.